Hello students, today we are on our 8th standard GK subject. Today we will learn about lesson number 58, fact match. Lesson number 59, wondrous world. 60, science is fun. And lesson number 61, mixed bag. So let's start. It's our lesson number 58, fact match. Section A. Some famous cities in India are situated on the bank of rivers. Match the columns correctly. यहाँ पर कुछ cities दिए हैं और यहाँ पर rivers के names दिए हैं. So you just have to match the pairs. First लुधियाना. लुधियाना सिटी जो है वो सतलज रिवर के बैंक्स पर बसी हुई है. देन सेकंड लखनऊ. लखनऊ इज सिचुएटेड ऑन द बैंक ऑफ गोमती रिवर H. थर्ड नंबर इलाहाबाद. इलाहाबाद सिटी इज सिचुएटेड एट द कॉन्फ्लुएंस ऑफ द गंगा एंड यमुना. द गंगा और यमुना नदी का जो संगम है उस संगम पर इलाहाबाद सिटी बसी हुई है. नेक्स्ट जमशेदपुर G. सुवर्णरेखा जो रिवर है उसके बैंक पर वो रिवर शहर है. देन विजयवाड़ा कृष्णा रिवर. सूरत सिटी यहाँ पर ताप्ती दी है लेकिन हम वो रिवर को तापी नाम से ज़्यादा जानते हैं. देन 7 नंबर पटना रिवर गंगा. देन पटना सिटी is situated on the bank of Ganga river, India's longest river. नासिक B. गोदावरी रिवर जो हमारे डिस्ट्रिक्ट में है. दिल्ली सिटी यमुना रिवर. श्रीनगर इन जम्मू कश्मीर is situated on the bank of Jhelum river. Okay students, then option B. Match the following correctly with respect to India. Longest river Greater Brahmaputra. Largest freshwater lake Ular Lake in Kashmir. Third number longest tunnel Chenani Nashri Srinagar to Jammu. Fourth number largest dam E. Tehri Dam in Uttarakhand. The longest road D. Grand Trunk Road near about 2400 kilometers long. Higher Minar C. Qutub Minar in Delhi. 7 number largest mosque B. Jama Masjid in Delhi. 8 number tallest statue A. Statue of Gomteshwara in Mysuru in Karnataka state. So students, this was our lesson 58 fact match. Now we are on lesson number 59, wondrous world. Look at the pictures and identify the countries they are situated in. Also find out why these places are famous. यहाँ पर कुछ पिक्चर्स दिए हुए हैं और उन पिक्चर्स के नीचे उन पिक्चर्स के नेम्स भी है और यहाँ पर कुछ कंट्रीज़ के नेम्स दिए हैं. आपको सिर्फ उस कंट्री में जो है वंडरस थिंग्स जो है वो है उनके नेम्स लिखने हैं. फर्स्ट UAE यूनाइटेड अरब एमिरेट्स, उसमें है बुर्ज खलीफा. हियर यू कैन सी द पिक्चर ऑफ बुर्ज खलीफा जो दुनिया की सबसे ऊंची बिल्डिंग है. देन चाइना 3 gorgeous डैम, वर्ल्ड्स बिगेस्ट डैम. इजिप्ट वर्ल्ड्स लार्जेस्ट रिवर. इजिप्ट लॉन्गेस्ट रिवर नाइल रिवर. जापान आकाशी केकिया ब्रिज. देन USA जेम्स रिवर ब्रिज. Here you can see the James River Bridge. 6th number Africa, Victoria Waterfalls. Here is given the Victoria Waterfalls. Then 7th number Pakistan, Shah Faisal Mosque. Here is that mosque. 8 number Cambodia, Angkor Wat. Here is that Angkor Wat. It is temple. Then 9 number Hawaii, USA, Mauna Loa volcano. It is an active volcano in the world that is present on the Hawaii island of America in Pacific Ocean. Then our 60 number lesson is Science is Fun. Take the correct answer. First number, who discovered radio waves? It's option A, Hertz. Question number 2, what does Hans Geiger counter detect? It's option C, alpha particles and other ionizing radiations. Question number 3, what did Crick, Watson and Wilkins determine the structure of? Option A, DNA. Then question number 4, which Indian physicist collaborated with Albert Einstein to develop a theory about a gas-like qualities of electromagnetic radiation? He was option A, Satyendra Nath Bose. Then question number 5, which French philosopher created analytic geometry? He was option C, Descartes. Question number 6, which English chemist discovered 4 noble gases, neon, argon, krypton and xenon? It's option C, W. Ramsay. 7 number, which virus was Robert Gallo one of the first to identify? He was option C, HIV virus. Human immunodeficiency syndrome virus. 8 number, which physicist and chemist gave his name to the law of induction? He was option A, Faraday. 9 number question, who was the first woman to receive a Nobel Prize? He was option C, Marie Curie, and she accepted the Nobel Prize for her invention for the radioactivity. Question number 10, which scientist of Indian origin studied the structure and function of the ribosome and shared the Nobel Prize in Chemistry in 2009 with 2 other scientists? Option A, Venkataraman Ramakrishnan. So students, this was our lesson number 60, Science is Fun. Now we are on our last lesson of the video. It's mixed bag. Total 10 questions are given here and every question has the same 3 options like the previous lesson. So you just have to choose the proper option from given the 3 options. First question, which ancient Greek astronomer first estimated the Earth's circumference? He was option C, Eratosthenes. Second, which metal among the following is the best conductor of electricity? It's option B, silver. Third number question, which 2 numericals digit does the binary number system of use? It's option A, 0 and 1. Question number 4, which scientist was born in Germany in 1879, became a Swiss citizen in 1901 and later became the US citizen in 1940? He was option B, Albert Einstein. And Albert Einstein seems to be the world's greatest scientist ever in the world. Fifth number question, which temperature has the same value in both Celsius and Fahrenheit? It's option A, minus 40 degree Celsius. Sixth number question, which planet in the solar system is approximately equal in size to Earth? It's option B, Venus. Question number 7, what is the sum of the internal angles in a hexagon? It's option B, 720 degree. 8 number question, what do the initials PVC stands for? It stands for polyvinyl chloride. 9 number question, what is the test for color blindness called? It's Ishihara test. Last question, What is the most common blood type in humans? It's option O, option C, O. And O blood group is also known as the universal donor in the world. So students, this way for 8th standard GK subject we have completed lesson number 58 fact match, option lesson number 59 wondrous world, lesson number 60 science is fun, and lesson number 61 mixed bag.